Hi, Jim, CRYHAVOC Tactical. Today we're going to do the AR15 QRB install. Unboxing your QRB. You will notice that there's a sticker on the front that says watch this video with a QR code that will take you directly to this video. You have your instructions, your sticker, my business card, your gas tube, your Handguard washer and roll pin, and your QRB kit consisting of your gas tube extension, your barrel plate, your receiver plate, and your star nut. Included in your kit are your instructions, your welcome sheet telling you to please read your instructions, or if you don't like it, you can go, if you don't like to read, you can go to this link and watch the video. First, check your barrel to upper fitment. Once you're convinced that it fits well, install your charging handle and your bolt carrier group. Lock your bolt carrier to the rear. Install your barrel into your upper receiver. Now, install your gas tube extension into your upper receiver. Slide your barrel plate or receiver plate on, and align the flat to allow the star nut to thread on. This is a little tricky to get it to where it's lined up. Working behind the camera, it's hard to see what I'm doing. Thread it down till it's hand tight. Using your armor's wrench, move it till you have it one scallop tighter. Try your barrel in and out. It's still easy. We can increase this one scallop. Check your barrel fitment once you've adjusted your star nut. When you're happy, using Loctite 242, put a drop on your receiver plate set screw, tighten to snug. With receiver plate set screw installed, check barrel fitment again. Now, take your barrel plate, slide it over your barrel, and you may need to adjust the screws slightly, set screws, to lock it. Now, with your inch-pound torque wrench, set it to 40 inch-pounds. Remove the 2 o'clock screw. Add blue Loctite to the 2 o'clock screw. Run down, install your torque wrench, and install to 40 inch-pounds. Remove your 10 o'clock screw. Install the 242 Loctite onto the screw, reinsert, thread till it touches. Take your inch-pound torque wrench and tighten to 40 inch-pounds. Removing the 6 o'clock screw, put your 242 Loctite on that one. Reinstall, taking your torque wrench, tighten to 40 inch-pounds. Your barrel plate is now installed.
With your QRB correctly installed, there is a slight gap. This is correct. This is by design. Notice the gap.
Next, install your handguard nut spacer into your handguard nut. With your torque wrench set to 30 foot-pounds, tighten your barrel nut. Till you hear the click. With your gas tube assembled into your gas block, slide over barrel, down to the shoulder, tighten one of your 5 30-second set screws, bring the other one out, apply Loctite 242, and run up till snug. Take the other one out, apply 242 Loctite, reinstall, and snug. Install your roll pin. There you have it. With your gas tube installed, put your barrel back into your QRB, lock your levers shut, let your bolt go forward. Installing your handguard, the easiest way to do this is to drop your plate in. This is using the CRYHAVOC handguard. I just put 242 Loctite on the first screw. I put 242 Loctite on the second screw. Using your 1/8 inch Allen wrench, start to install your screws. Do not tighten them. With your handguard installed over the nut and their set screws not tightened, reinstall barrel assembly onto the QRB. Line up your Picatinny rails and snug your bolts. Go back and forth, because as you tighten the front one, the rear one will become loose. Go back and forth till you have them both snug and your Picatinny rail in the correct place. Now, your final operation, installing your flash hider. There you have it. You've completed the installation of your QRB. Now that you've completed the assembly of your QRB upper, to top this off, I recommend the Law Tactical Gen 3 folding adapter. These two items were made for each other.